Hello friends, today we are going to learn a poem of 10th standard, unit number 1, subunit 1.3. The title of the poem is Basketful of Moonlight. It is written by Sunil Sharma. Actually, the poet Sunil Sharma wrote his poem in Dogri language and then it is translated in English. The poem is very beautiful. The speaker or narrator of the poem is a child. In this poem, a child requests moon. Now, let's see what and how child requests the moon. I will read the poem and explain each stanza. Listen. O moon, give me moonlight, basketful or 2 baskets full, with seeds of moonlight. In the first stanza, the child requests moon to give him 1 or 2 baskets full of seeds of moonlight. Seeds means biya, but here we say small plants of moonlight. या स्टांझामध्ये तो छोटा मुलगा मूनला म्हणजे चंद्राला विनंती करतोय की त्याला एक वाडगा भरून मूनलाईट पाहिजे. एक वाडगा किंवा 2 वाडगे त्याला सीड्स ऑफ मूनलाईट पाहिजे आहे. फ्रॉम द सिटी टू माय विलेज ऑन द साइड्स ऑफ द पाथ आय वॉन्ट टू सो मेनी स्मॉल moons of light. In this stanza, the child tells that he lives in a village. Far away from his village, there is a city, and the child wants to sow the seeds or the small plants of moonlight both sides of the road that goes from his village to the city. या स्टांझामध्ये तो छोटा मुलगा असा म्हणतोय की माझ्या गावाकडून शहराकडे जाणाऱ्या रस्त्याच्या दोन्ही बाजूला मला छोटे छोटे चंद्र आणि चांदणे पेरायचे आहेत. The whole village goes to the city daily to work. It becomes dark on its way back, as my village is quite far. The route is tough and full of snakes and scorpions. Neither bus nor cart plies. In this stanza, the child explains the real situation of his village. He tells that every day people in his village goes to the city to work. Every day the people have to go to the city early in the morning. But when they return, it is already night. There is no facility to go to the city. There is no facility of auto, bus or car. So the villagers have to walk. The village is quite far from the city. The road means road or way is tough, as well as there are snakes and scorpions on the road. या स्टांझामध्ये तो छोटा मुलगा असं म्हणतो की त्याच्या गावातील लोक दररोज कामासाठी शहरात जातात. शहरापासून गाव दूर असल्यामुळे त्यांना घरी येईपर्यंत अंधार पडतो. रस्ताही कच्चा आहे. विंचू सापांचीही भीती असते. कोणत्याही वाहनांची सोय नाही. When my father returns home, I am asleep and he goes back early in the morning while I am sleeping. In this stanza, the child tells about his father. His father also goes to the city early in the morning and returns late. He tells that he went asleep when his father returns. तो छोटा मुलगा असं म्हणतो की त्याचे वडील दररोज सकाळी लवकर कामासाठी शहरात जातात व संध्याकाळी उशिरा येतात. तेव्हा तो झोपी गेलेला असतो व त्याची वडिलांशी भेटच होत नाही. O moon, give me a basketful of moonlight on lawn. I want to light the dark road so that my father returns early. I too want to hear fairy tales and stories from him. In this stanza, the child requests the moon to give him a basketful moonlight, means small plants of moonlight on lawn. He wants to light the dark road because he tells that if the road is full of light, his father returns early from the city and he wants to hear fairy tales and stories from his father. तो मुलगा असं म्हणतो की हे चंद्रा, मला एक टोपली भरून किंवा 2 टोपली चंद्र व चांदणे दे. माझ्या वडिलांच्या येण्याचा रस्ता मला प्रकाशित करायचा आहे. वडील लवकर घरी आले की त्यांच्याकडून मला गोष्टी ऐकायच्या आहेत. ओ मून, गिव्ह मी अ बास्केट फुल ऑफ मूनलाईट. आय वॉन्ट टू सो सीड्स ऑफ मून ऑन द साइड्स ऑफ द पाथ. In this stanza, the child requests the moon again to give him a basketful of moonlight because he wants to sow seeds of moonlight, means small plants of moonlight, the two sides of the road. इथं तो मुलगा असं म्हणतो, हे चंद्रा, मला टोपलीभर चंद्र व चांदणे दे. वडिलांच्या येण्याच्या रस्त्यावर दोन्ही बाजूला मला त्या लावायच्या आहेत.